Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Display Settings right away. Right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. Make sure your external monitor is powered and cables are secure, because an unstable connection can hide resolutions. Once done, check the current resolution and scale percentage so you have a baseline. You want to know the monitor model and connection HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, since available resolutions depend on it. Now move to the Resolution control to begin resizing. Now change the resolution drop-down to the recommended or a lower value if you need larger UI elements. Higher values sharpen, but make items smaller. Then adjust scaling to 100, 125, or 150% depending on readability. Scaling changes size without altering pixel density. Once you apply, Windows will preview the change. Confirm if it looks correct. Make sure to test with a full-screen app or video so you can judge clarity and UI spacing before finalizing the setting. Finish by opening Advanced Display Settings if you need custom refresh rates or non-standard modes. Create or select a custom mode carefully. If the resolution you want is missing, update or reinstall your graphics drivers and reboot, because drivers expose full option sets. If the screen goes black or unreadable, wait for the revert timer or press ESC to undo. Otherwise, use safe mode to reset. One tip: keep a second screen or no keyboard shortcuts to recover a bad change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.